Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the geometrical meaning of the zeros of any polynomial. So for linear polynomial uh, ax plus b where a not equal to 0, it has exactly 1 0, and you know what is that 0? That 0 is x is equal to minus b upon a, and geometrically this 0 is the x coordinate of the point where the graph of y is equal to ax plus b intersects the x-axis. You all know about a straight line. You have studied in class 9 that y is equal to ax plus b, and graph of this linear equation is a straight line. Graph is a straight line. For example, x plus y is equal to 1. If you draw a table like in class 9, then two of the values are given in this table, and if you plot the graph of this linear equation, so you will get the graph like this. This point is 1 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 1, and x plus y is equal to 1. So according to definition, the 0 of any linear polynomial is the x coordinate of the point where the graph of this straight line intersects the x-axis. So in this example, the graph of this straight line intersect x-axis at this point, A, whose coordinates are 1 comma 0, and its x coordinate is 1. Therefore 0 of this polynomial is 0 of the polynomial y is equal to 1 minus x. If you write in standard form, ax plus b or minus x plus 1. So here value of a is minus 1 and value of b is 1. So x is equal to minus b upon a. So minus 1 upon minus 1, that is 1. So from definition also you are getting the 0 1, and from the graph you are getting the 0 1. So this is the geometrical meaning of the 0 of any polynomial. Similarly, for quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, the zeros are precisely the x coordinate of the points where the graph of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c intersects the x-axis. So in exam, बोर्ड एग्जाम ऑल्सो आपसे क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल या क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल को प्लॉट करने के लिए नहीं पूछेगा, आपसे नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरो पूछ सकते हैं या ज़ीरो फाइंड करने के लिए पूछ सकते हैं, इसका ग्राफ प्लॉट करने के लिए नहीं आएगा. बट फॉर एग्जांपल इफ graph of some quadratic polynomial is like this, then this graph is intersecting x-axis at 2 points a and b, and इन दोनों points के जो x coordinate होंगे, suppose if this point is 1,0 and this point is 4,0, so 1 and 4 are the zeros of द पोलिनोमियल. सो जितने डिग्री का पोलिनोमियल है एट मोस्ट उतनी ज़ीरो हो सकती है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उतनी ज़ीरो हो सकती है. एंड इफ़ यू सी इन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक, सो if you see your NCERT book, in this figure there is a graph of some quadratic polynomial and it has 2 0. From the graph we can easily see that there are 2 zeros. जो a पॉइंट का x कोऑर्डिनेट होगा और a डैश पॉइंट का x कोऑर्डिनेट होगा, वो दोनों वैल्यू होंगे ज़ीरोज़ के. अगेन सिमिलरली इन दिस ग्राफ x coordinate of a and a dash are the zeros of the polynomial. Here we have only 1 0 because the graph is intersecting at only one point on x-axis. So the x coordinate of this point A will give you the 0. Again A की point पे intersect कर रहा है, तो इस A point का जो x coordinate होगा that will give you the 0. In this graph is not intersecting x-axis at any point, so we have no 0. मैंने बताया था ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 0 हो सकती है क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल के लिए, हो सकता है एक भी ना हो. तो इस पोलिनोमियल क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल का जो ग्राफ है इसमें एक भी ज़ीरो नहीं है. सिमिलरली इसमें भी एक भी ज़ीरो नहीं है बिकॉज ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को इंटरसेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा है. In this graph is intersecting x-axis at 1, 2 and 3 points. So x coordinate of this point is -2, x coordinate of this point is 0 and x coordinate of this point is 2. So x is equal to -2, 0 and 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. So आप इससे ये भी बोल सकते हैं, हो सकता है ये क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल का ग्राफ हो. अगेन दिस ग्राफ इज इंटरसेक्टिंग एक्स एक्सिस एट 2 पॉइंट्स. सो 0 एंड x इज इक्वल टू 1 बिकॉज जो भी कोऑर्डिनेट है उसका हमें x कोऑर्डिनेट देखना है. तो 1 एंड 0 आर दी ज़ीरोज़ ऑफ दिस पोलिनोमियल जिसका ये ग्राफ हमें गिवन है. अगेन you can see in this example that there are 4 intersecting points with x-axis 1, 2, 3 and 4. so ये जो ग्राफ है ये 4 पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, तो इसके अंदर कितनी ज़ीरोज़ हैं? 4 ज़ीरोज़ हैं. and this is your NCERT exercise number 2.1 and you have to solve this at home. If you do not have books, then you can find the online version of NCERT book from the NCERT Books and Solution app. So there are 6 questions in all and you have to tell the number of zeros in each case. So this is your homework. Next time we will do the next topic. Thank you.